Good day everyone. I hope for the past few days in knowledge or this module laboratory. And this time we will try to solve the skills integration challenge for switch integration. Before we start first, you need to read all the instructions. So the scenario, the network administrator asks you to configure a new switch. In this activity, you will use the list of requirements to configure a new switch with initial settings, SSH, and port security. For requirements, we need to configure as well with the following initial configuration. We need to change the host name, assign a banner that includes word warning, configure the console port password, then encrypt using labels password, plain text password 2, service password encryption, then manage the interface addressing. The second one is configure the SSH to secure the remote access with the following settings. You need to assign the IP domain to Cisco.com, and let's generate the crypto key, generate RSA. So we need to set the IP SSH version 2, and let's use the username admin and secret password or secret CCNA password. Then we need to set the BTY or configure the BTY that only accept SSH connection. So let's begin. So click the switch one, then this will be the interface for CLI. Click that CLI and click enter. So as always, label, then change the host name, text one, and set banner, use hashtag Cisco and 11x, and also we configure the labels, service password encryption for plain text password. Also we need to manage the interface addressing. So before we manage the interface, first we need to access the physical layer or physical the main interface to our switch. So we have multiple ports. So as you can see guys, the switch have two connections, which is the F01 and F02. Now this switch have 24 slots, so from 1 to 24. So we need to disable all unused ports. So as you can see, let's view the checkerset first. For initial ports are not now. We need to determine the ports that we want to close. As you can see, we have port 0 or pass Ethernet 03 to 9. Continue to pass 0, pass Ethernet 0 /10 to 24. So you can execute this command, or you can use this command to close all the unused ports with your CLI. And let's use this command. Range, meaning we want to close the or disable the unused ports. F0 dash F0 port, and check that. Also, we need to close the gigabit Ethernet 1 and 2. Let's check the result again. This is 1 item. So we are done. As you can see, disable those unused ports. Also, we need to disable the gigabit 0, 1, and 2. And for VLAN 1, we need to assign the IP address, subnet mask, and port status for network cloud. Also, we need to set the SSH login form and username. Also, you need to configure the SSH and media. Close. Access the S110. Same command for shutdown. This time for gigabit 01. So you can use the previous command using RP. Then shutdown. So RP command. Use the command that we already done. Then this time we need to change to V1. Assign the number for V1 interface. So we need to set the IP address. Then this is it. 0 for vector slash next, we need to set IP for the name. Let's set the IP to be here. Also, we need to set that SSH version. RSN, so we need to create a key, generate standard for security, and 1024. Then date, RC version. This time we need to set the VP1 for that only accept SSH or the SSH connection. So the instruction did not indicate the number of devices. So we need to set for 0 space 15. So this command will connect 16 devices, but for now we need to set 4 or 5 devices. Then transport SSH access login to the client and 5 devices. Okay, as you can see, our completion mode to 69/100. Okay, the next we need to configure the interface password 01. And let's type switch first. Name access. Then switch port security box 2. As you can see, we need only 2 hosts per port. Enter switch port security MAC address. Then we are done with password at 01. So disable 02. You need to configure the interface mode access. As you can see, I pressed the arrow key to use my previous command. Okay, are done with this configuration. The last part is the we need to configure the username with secret password system. Type username, wait, first username, admin, secret CC. As you can see, guys, our completion moved to 100/100. So we are done this laboratory. That's how we solve this lab. You see that and shortcut command. Also, for those who don't know what commands we use, so I want you to go to your module 11. So all those commands post on your module 11 in your module 11. So I hope that everyone gain any knowledge how easy to solve this challenge. Okay, that's all for this laboratory.